Hey guys, Braden with MarineMax Panama City Beach. Got a rare opportunity to own a 326 GRADY-WHITE. As you guys know, there are very few of them out there. It does have the windlass anchor, huge Carolina flare. You can see it's got the dive door, easy access at the island. Fishing, huge platforms. This is powered with twin 300 Yamahas, 268 hours. As you look at the transom, you've got underwater lighting, trim tabs. Let's step aboard. All right guys, as we're in the cockpit, you can see all the rocket launchers. You've got them both on the T-top right here on the leaning post. Freshwater sink, massive live well. You've got a transom seating as well as a huge fish box. Another live well here. Plenty of tackle storage. Under here you've got storage for knives, lures, whatever you guys want. So as we go to the helm, you're gonna love this. This is the bigger brother to the 306, and it's gonna get you triple helm seats, twin 16 Garmin's, and a CL7, as well as the Helmmaster. Okay, let's move forward. So as we move forward, you can see whether it's fishing, day at the island, going to Destin, you've got forward seating, nice Fusion stereo system, your windlass controls, nice large, look how large this seat is. So up top, this boat is equipped with a XHD2 open array radar, has the windshield wiper. Come see us, call Braden 727-744-7304.